Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through the process of setting up a fast and secure PSIPHON server. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Now let's get started. Step 1. To kick things off, open your preferred browser and head over to the OpenVPN SSH website. Step 2. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the user label to proceed with the setup. Step 3. Next, scroll through the list of options and select PSIPHON to initiate the configuration process. Step 4. Now it's time to choose the location for your PSIPHON server. Click on Create User and pick your desired location from the list. Step 5. After selecting the location, click on the Generate button to create the server for that specific location. Step 6. Once the server is generated, copy the essential details, especially the HAX key. Save these details on a notepad. You'll need them to set up your HTTP CUSTOM VPN. Step 7. If you're unsure about setting up HTTP CUSTOM VPN or ZIVPN for your PSIPHON server, check out my tutorial video. The link is provided in the video description. Conclusion. And there you have it. A quick and secure PSIPHON server setup. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, happy browsing.